we're speaking to Mr. Olaf Hahn, the Chief Executive Officer of the Anvis Group. The German-based designer and manufacturer is on an expansion drive, fueled by the synergies created through the takeover of the firm by Japanese company Sumitomo Riko. Mr. Hahn, thank you for joining us. What are the benefits to the customer of the Sumitomo Riko purchase of the Anvis Group?
So it's a general, very global network which the customer get to this new kind of combined companies. We basically structured a company which is located on all hotspots on this planet, which is important for automotive customers. Beside technical synergies, so we're combining a lot of technical competences now. We have a lot of patents together, which are combined very strong facility now. Basically, we now, in all areas of anti-vibration systems, the top number one manufacturer here. That's, I think, the general synergy. Geographically, technically, we have tech centers in China now. We have in North America a huge tech center. We have a tech center in France, in Germany, in Russia, and for sure in Japan. This is exactly what our customer like to have.
Okay, and then obviously, so you're on an expansion drive. Again, from the customer's perspective, what is the advantages of the expansion drive?
The expansion drive is really we're heading to areas technically and geographically where the customer is going to, and that's what we basically follow. So we provide all the services for the customers as they're expecting it.
Okay, and then how is Sumitomo Riko leveraging the Anvis network?
I think basically we're just combining our networks. The reason for Sumitomo Riko taking over Anvis was basically that we offering or that we have what they don't have and vice versa. So they didn't really work with any European customers as we didn't work with any Japanese customers. Now both of us together really providing that network which basically follows the trends in the automotive market. There are a lot of kind of cooperations in the meantime between several OEMs. Volkswagen starts a lot of activities in Japan as one example. So therefore, it makes a lot of sense for us to do that together, and this is what the customer likes to see.
Okay. Okay, so let's look at the future. What new technology are we going to see coming out of this joining the two companies?
We all have the same kind of task. We have CO2 requirements worldwide. Which leads to weight reduction items. That's one element. We have new kind of engines coming up, electromotors and battery carriers and things like that. With anti-vibration parts from us, you can do that. We as well can do controllable mount systems, which are very important as well for our customers. So we basically adapting the needs for our the technical changes of our customers. And that's what we can easily provide. Materials and technologies.
Okay, so what makes Anvis so good? I mean, what do you do right?
First of all, we are where the customer needs us to be, because technical development on technical high-end parts, you need to have contacts on the local basis. That means the engineers of our customers needs to sit together with our engineers in native tongue. That's first of all a very important item. Secondly, we are developer as well on materials. Components are developed by ourselves, and we produce those parts as well. That means beside the innovations, which are kind of protected by patents, are driven from our technical departments, which we can provide together with our customers on a local basis with native tongue. Okay. And that makes a success at the end of the day.
And then how closely do you work with OEMs to develop new technology?
We are first-tier development guys. That means we provide the technical solutions. The OEMs basically give us a kind of abstract set of information, room, weight, vibration frequencies, and things like that. And out of that, we creating a technical solution. That means we do really a whiteboard and start from the scratch to come up with a solution.
Cool. Okay, and then anything else you'd like to add?
I think it's very important for everyone who sees that to understand that we are providing here a very good global network with very good innovative solutions, which are very important as well for the emerging markets, which we are in as well. And therefore, we see ourselves even more growing in the near future. We have a lot of new businesses coming, so everyone is welcome to join the family here.
Okay, what do you mean by everyone welcome to join the family?
We're still looking for people to join the company. We're growing pretty fast, and therefore we're hiring a lot of people, and we're looking out for engineers and people in the project management departments to help us to make that happen.
Thank you very much. That's Mr. Olaf Hahn, the Chief Executive Officer of the Anvis Group.
Thank you very much.